Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and this is Ron again from happiness.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Cloudfone ThrillView. So this is, I think, a mid-range level ng phone from Cloudfone, ano? So yan yung itsura niya. It says here in the box, it says Android 7.0 Nougat, 5.5 HD IPS display, 16 GB ROM, 1 GB RAM, expandable naman to 64 GB yung card, ano? Okay. Sinabi na ito. 8 megapixel autofocus LED flash with 5 megapixel face detection LED flash lens. So, both sides may flash. 3G lang siya. 16 gig, nasabi na natin. MediaTek MT6580, 1.3 GHz quad-core Cortex A7. Dual SIM, dual standby. May case na siya, no, sa aming earphones. So, yan yung box. Nakikita nyo na, diba? Okay. So, we'll open it up. So, sealed pa siya talaga. Ang hirap. Hindi matalas ang chilya ko. Okay. Do not accept if seal is broken. That means it's been opened before. Okay. So, yan yung phone. Laki siya, no? So, 5.5. Okay. So, it comes with the usual wall charger, USB, and headset. Okay. Put it back. We don't need that. Okay. And comes with a silicone case and screen protector. Okay. Yung battery niya removable pala. Buti chinek natin yung likod. Okay. So the battery is 2,500 milliamperes. Okay. So there's the phone. It comes in colors of gold, gray, and rose gold. So, I guess this is rose gold. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung uka. Ayan yung uka niya, oh, for to be able to open the back cover. So, kailangan may kuko. Kung wala, try using a card. Okay. So, para siya yung Cloud Thrill Boost. Okay. Yung pagtanggal. So, there's the ano to? Hindi ko mabasa. Micro SIM. Micro SD, micro SIM. Okay, so it's a dual SIM phone using micro SIM. Okay. So the power button and the volume button is found on the right side pareho. Okay. So it's opening na yan. Hindi na ako nagmukhang tanga. Tinanggal ko na yung cover. Yeah, so let's wait and see until it turns on. So magaan siya, no? So maganda, malaki yung screen niya. And mukhang mabilis naman mag-turn on. Okay. Price-wise, it's available 3,599. Pero meron sa Lazada, Argo Mall, Big Benta. Okay. So as I mentioned before, it's an 8 megapixel yung likod, 5 megapixel yung harap according to the print on the box. And it's turning on. So if you want guys to read about the review or watch it, keep updated here sa channel na sa happiness.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So mamaya na natin i-set up yung internet so that you can see it's inside. Next, saka na yan. Next. Not now. Finish later. Okay, so yan. On na siya, no? So, open natin. Muntik mahulog. Okay. Settings. Okay. Storage. Okay. So, 16 GB, diba? Na ROM. You have a usable of 10.68. So, roughly kumain siya ng 5.32. Ayan, 5.17. So, may laman na siya, no? Okay. The camera. So, you swipe up and down para magbago yung ano. Here's the settings, so makita nyo. So, picture size, 8 megapixel yung likod, okay? So, pag nasa harap tayo, 5 megapixel. So, may front mirror and everything else. So, may time-lapse din siya, may video settings, may beauty, may portrait. Okay, so that's for the initial unboxing of Cloudfone ThrillView. Try it, ano, malaki siya, no? It's bigger than the Huawei P9, a little bit bigger. Okay, even the screen is bigger. Okay, so thanks guys for watching. Bye.